Good morning student, welcome in our today's session. In last lecture we start a new point, that is increasing and decreasing function. Also in that lecture we studied what is meant by increasing function and what is decreasing function. Increasing function means what? If the derivative of function is greater than equal to 0, then the function is said to be increasing, and if the derivative of function f dash of x which is less than equal to 0, then the function is said to be a decreasing function. There are two differences, that is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Only the function is given, that is function is increasing, then we say that it is greater than equal to. Function is decreasing, that is less than equal to. When we have to given that function is strictly increasing, then we have to take only greater than, and if function is strictly decreasing, that means we have to take less than only. If it is given only increasing decreasing, then we have to take greater than equal to or less than equal to. And if we have given that the function is only increasing, then we have to take that is only greater than, that is strictly increasing म्हटलं की काय घ्यायचं, greater than. Strictly decreasing, that is less than. Only increasing decreasing असेल तर greater equal and less equal. In last lecture we see our question 1 and question 2. Question 1 is what? Check whether the function is increasing or decreasing. We take the derivative. If it is positive, then we say that the function is increasing, and if the derivative is negative, then we write the function is decreasing. The next question is find the values of x for which the function is strictly increasing. Then we find the values of x. Now we see our next question. Question 3. Find the values of x for which the following function is decreasing only. It is only, here we have given that which is strictly decreasing, not only decreasing. That is strictly decreasing. That means we have to take only less than equal to. Strictly decrease, that means less than only. So given function is strictly decreasing, so first we have to find its derivative, and function is decreasing since the derivative of function is less than 0. So take the derivative of function f dash of x is equal to 2x cube, that is 6x square minus 3x square, that is 6x minus 12, and derivative of 6 is 0. But here given that function is strictly decreasing, therefore here we can write f dash of x is less than 0. If it is decreasing, then here we have to take less than or equal to sign, but it is only strictly, hence we write 6 into x square minus 6x minus 12, which is less than 0. The 6 multiply, on that side it becomes 0, x square minus 6x minus 12, which is less than 0. Now we have to factorize this. So find the two numbers whose product is minus 12 but addition is minus 6. That means the two numbers are 4 3s are, then we take the 6 2s are, or 3 4, hence we take the factors x square minus 12x, 2x cube minus 3x minus 12x. See what is question? Minus 12x plus c. Hence the factors are, here from this we take, here if we take 6 common, this is 6 into x square minus 6x minus 12 less than 0, 6x square. So if we take 6 common from this, then here we will get x square minus x minus 2, which is less than 0, that is x square minus x minus 2 less than 0. Now here we have to find the two factors whose product is minus 2 and addition is minus 1. Since we take the two numbers, that is minus 2 and plus 1, if we take the product of these two, then we will get the minus 2, and if we take addition, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus. Hence the two numbers are x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 less than 0. Now from this side x common, hence x minus 2 and plus either 1 less than 0. Hence the factors are x minus 2 into x plus 1 less than 0. Here we will get the two factors, x minus 2 and x plus 1. In last lecture we see the two cases. for greater than and for less than. If function is greater than 0, then case first both are positive and case second both are negative, and the function is less than 0, if the factors product of factor is less than 0, then the case first A is positive, B negative. If A negative, B positive. So consider here cases. Case first, x minus 2 greater than 0 and x plus 1 less than 0. Hence we will get x greater than 2. Here minus, since on that side it becomes plus. And second one, x less than minus 1. Here it is plus 1. So on that side it becomes minus 1. Now case second is what? Case second, x minus 2 less than 0. And the second one is what? X plus 1 greater than 0. Therefore here x less than 2 and x greater than minus 1. So see here, we will get x greater than 2 and x less than minus 1, which is not possible. It is absurd. So here consider x is less than 2 but x is greater than minus 1. म्हणजे x हा कसा आहे minus 1 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, but it is less than 2. So therefore from case first here, right, which is not possible. Which is not possible or it is absurd, you can say that. From case first or from case second we write here, a function is strictly decreasing when function is strictly decreasing if x less than 2 and x greater than minus 1. That means minus 1 less than x less than 2. This is the value of possible values of x. So x lies between minus 1 less than, that means x belongs to open interval. You can write this as also minus 1 comma 2. Open interval means what? The boundary point does not consider. That means x consider the x takes the values in between minus 1 and 2. Now see the second question here. F of x is equal to x plus 25 upon x. X plus 25 upon x. So take the derivative. Derivative of x is 1 plus the 25 is constant, and all of you know that the derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square. Since minus 1 upon x square. But given condition is what? Function is strictly decreasing. Function is strictly decreasing. Therefore f dash of x is less than 0. Therefore 1 minus 25 upon x square, which is less than 0. That means x square minus 1 upon 25, or we write this as a 25 minus 1 less than 25 upon x square. That means x square less than 25. X square is less than 25. That means the x lies between minus 5 to 5. But here x must be non-zero. Therefore minus 5 less than x less than 5. Here we take square root. Then we will get the x less than plus minus 5. Hence minus 5 less than x less than 5. But remember the one thing, that is x not equal to 0. Since if x is 0, then the function becomes invalid. So the values of x lies between minus 5 to 5 and x not equal to 0. Or we can write this as a x belongs to minus 5 comma 5 minus 0. त्या इंटरवल मधनं फक्त आपल्याला काय करायचं, 0 काढून टाकायचा. So next consider second function. F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12. F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12. So take the derivative. F dash of x 3x square minus 9x square 18x plus 24. Now see, function is strictly decreasing. Let the given condition. Function is strictly decreasing. Therefore, f dash of x is less than 0 only. Therefore, 3 into, if we take common 3 from this, then we will get x square minus 3 6 are 18, as 6x plus 3 8 are 24, which is less than 0. The 3 is multiplied since here indicates the 5. Minus 6 plus 8 less than 0. Now again we have to find two factors whose product is plus 8 and addition is minus 6. That is 4, 2. Minus 4 minus 2, product is plus 8 and addition is minus 6. Hence x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 less than 0. So from this we take x common, x minus 4, and here we take f2 common, hence less than 0. So the product is x minus 4 into x minus 2, which is less than 0. Again here we take the two factors. So again we have to consider here two cases. That is case first positive, second negative. Therefore, first case is what? X minus 4 greater than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. So from this we will get, जर डिक्रीजिंग असेल तर एक पॉझिटिव्ह, एक ग्रेटर दॅन तर दुसरा लेस दॅन, आणि ग्रेटर दॅन असेल, ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल तर दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह दोन्ही निगेटिव्ह या पद्धतीने. सो x ग्रेटर दॅन 4 अँड हियर x ग्रेटर दॅन 2. x लेस दॅन, x कसा आला? ग्रेटर दॅन 4 बट x लेस दॅन 2 म्हणजे 2 पेक्षा लहान आहे. x is less than 2 and x is greater than 4, again which is absurd, which is not possible. X greater than 4 and less than 2 at a time nahi ho shakta. So next consider x minus 4 less than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. That means x less than 4 and x greater than 2. So see this condition, x less than 4 and x greater than 2. X is greater than 2 but x is less than 4. That means from case first, or sorry second, function is strictly decreasing if function is strictly decreasing if by 2 less than x less than 4. X less than 4 but x is greater than 2. Also we can write this as a x belongs to open 2 comma 4. So this is possible values of x. Now see the next question, that is question number 4. Find the values of x for which the function f of x is increasing and is decreasing. Here we have given only function is increasing and decreasing. Since here we take less than equal, greater than equal sign. If we have given strictly, then we have to take strictly equal less than or greater than symbol. Find the values of x for which values of x for which the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 12x square minus 144x plus 13. First question is asked here, increasing. It is increasing, and second one it is decreasing. So see, first f of x is equal to what? X cube minus 12x square minus 144x plus 30. Take its derivative. F dash of x, 3x square minus 12x square, that is 24x, and the minus 144. Now take 3 common from this, then we will get x square minus 388x, and here 3 4s are 12 and 48. function is increasing. Function is increasing. So write here f dash of x greater than equal to 0. Here we have given only increasing. Since we take greater than equal to, that is 3 into x square minus 8x minus 48 greater than equal to 0. Again these 3 on this side it becomes 0. X square minus 8x minus 48 greater than equal to 0. Again we have to take the factors whose product is minus 48 and addition is minus 8x. So which these two numbers? 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. But here we have to take addition minus. Is take the biggest number is minus, that is minus 12 and plus 4. X square minus 12x plus 4x minus 48 greater than equal to 0. So take x common from this. Hence x minus 12 and here we take x4 common since here x minus 12 greater than equal to 0. That means here we will get the two factors. That is first one is x minus 12 and the second one x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. So again here we have to consider two cases. Case first is what? For greater equal to, both are same, both are greater, both are less than. So first case x minus 12 greater than equal to 0 and x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. Since here we will get x greater than equal to 12 and here we will get x greater than equal to minus 4. But function is increasing. Function is increasing. So take the biggest value. Choose biggest value. That is x greater than equal to 12. Now case second is what? X minus 12 less than equal to 0 and x plus 4 less than equal to 0. Hence here x less than equal to 12 and x less than equal to minus 4. So here we take x less than equal to minus 4. So from case first and second function is increasing only, not strictly increasing. If x greater than equal to 12 and x less than equal to minus 4, that is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 4 union greater than equal to 12, that means 12 comma infinity, but here greater equal and here less equal, since the minus 4 included in this set and here greater equal 12, hence here closed 12, because this point lying in the that interval, since here we take closed interval on the 12 and on the 4. So this is the possible values of x if the function is increasing. Now second function is what? That is function is decreasing. So same procedure for this x minus 12 into, फक्त आपल्याला काय करायचे तिथे केसेस चेंज होतील. ग्रेटर इन्क्रीजिंग असेल तर सेम असतात दोन्ही पण, पहिल्या केस मध्ये सेम, दुसरी मध्ये सेम. आता डिक्रीजिंग असेल तर फक्त चेंज करायचे केसेस. A for and here B for decreasing. Case first. Now here function is decreasing. Right here function is increasing. Go right here. B. Now function is decreasing. Function is decreasing since the factors x minus 12 and x plus 4 is less than equal to 0. If it is increasing, then the product of factors is greater equal 0, and if it is decreasing, then the factors is less than equal to 0. So case first, x minus 12 less than equal to 0 and x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. Hence we will get x less than equal to 12 and here x greater than equal to minus 4. इकडे minus 12 होता, इकडे plus होईल आणि इकडे plus 4 होता, since on that side it become minus 4. And the case second, x minus 12 greater than equal to 0 and x plus 4 less than equal to 0. Hence we will get x greater than equal to 12 and x plus 4, that means x less than equal to minus 4. So see the case second, x greater than equal to 12 and x less than equal to minus 4, which is not possible. It is absurd. Since we take the first condition, x is less than equal to 12 and x is greater than minus 4. Greater equal minus 4. म्हणजे minus 4 पेक्षा मोठा but 12 पेक्षा लहान. Therefore, from case second, first, function is decreasing if x belongs to less than equal to and greater than minus 4. Equality. So here we take closed interval and less than equal to 12. Since the minus 4 and 12 are included in the set of intervals. Since if the function is decreasing, then the values of x belongs to closed interval minus 4 comma 12, and if the function is decreasing, then the values of possible values of x is minus infinity comma it is also called as a semi open minus infinity comma minus 4 union semi closed 12 comma infinity. Now see the next question, that is question number 5. Find the values of x for which, again here we have given the function, but here cases are strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Again we have to solve same as like, but it is strictly decreasing or strictly increasing. Hence we consider here only greater than, and for decreasing we consider here only less than symbol. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square minus 144x minus 7. First, strictly increasing and B, strictly decreasing. See solution. What is f of x? 2x cube minus 15x cube minus 144x minus 7. Take derivative. 2x cube 6x square minus 30x minus 144. Again we take 6 common, hence it is x square minus 5x minus 6 2s are 12. Again here that is 28. Case first, function is strictly increasing. Six fours are 24. Therefore, 6 into, or first type, f dash of x greater than 0, strictly increasing. Hence 6 into x square minus 5x minus 24 greater than 0. 6 is multiplied, hence on that side it gets equal. Minus 24 greater than 0. Now we have to factorize this, whose product is minus 24 and addition is minus 5. So 6 and which these two numbers are, whose product is 24. That means 12 and addition is minus 6. Since the two numbers are, we will get, that is 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. So minus 8 and plus 3. If we take addition, then we will get minus 8. X square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24 greater than 0. X common, x minus 8 plus 3 common, again x minus 8 greater than 0. Then x minus 8 into x plus 3 greater than 0. Again we have to consider two cases. Case first, greater than then x minus 8 greater than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. Hence x greater than 8 and here x greater than minus 3. But function is increasing, so take greater value. Now here case second, x minus 8 less than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. Hence x less than 8 and hence x less than minus 3. Again take x less than minus 3. So values of possible values of x, that is x greater than 8 and x less than minus 3. So right here from case first and second, function is strictly increasing if x greater than 8 and x less than minus 3, or also we can write this as a minus infinity minus 3 union 8 comma infinity. X belongs to this set. Now the second case is function is strictly decreasing. Function is strictly decreasing. Therefore, f dash of x derivative is less than 0. That is, what is factor? X minus 8 into x plus 3 less than 0. Again, we have to consider here two cases. Case first positive, second negative. X minus 8 greater than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. Hence, x greater than 8 and x less than minus 3. Again, which is absurd, which is not possible. X is greater than 8 and x is less than minus 3. Now, case second, x minus 8 less than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. That means x less than 8 and x greater than minus 3. So for this case second, x is greater than minus 3 but x is less than 8. Therefore, from case second, function is strictly decreasing if 1 x less than 8 and x greater than minus 3, that is x belongs to, or we must write this as a minus 3 less than x less than 8. X greater than minus 3 but x is less than 8. Or also we write this as a x belongs to open interval minus 3 comma 8. So on that interval, the boundary point minus 3 and 8 does not belongs to this interval. Now see the next question, question number 6. So you should try to solve the question number 6. We have to find the derivative of this function by using the quotient rule, and here we have to consider again the two cases, strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. And don't forget that if we have given strictly, then consider less than or greater than, and given only increasing, then greater than, equal to, less than, equal. Function is x upon x square plus 1. So if we have to find the derivative, we have to use quotient rule here. So f dash of x is equal to x square plus 1 into derivative of first, that is 1, minus x as it is derivative of v, 2x upon x square plus 1 bracket square is equal to x square plus 1 minus x into x upon x square plus 1 square. X square minus 2x square, that is minus x square plus 1 square, which is f dash of x. What is case first? Sorry, function strictly, first is what? Strictly increasing. Function is strictly increasing. Hence the derivative greater than 0. F dash of x greater than 0. Therefore, 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 square which is greater than 0. This is defined since on that side it gets 0. 1 minus x square greater than 0. That means 1 minus x square greater than 0, that is 1 greater than x square, or we write as a x square less than 1, since the value of x lies between minus 1 to 1. Therefore, minus 1 less than x less than 1. This is the possible values of x if function is strictly increasing. Now, the second case is what? Function is strictly decreasing. Function is strictly decreasing. Decreasing, that is f dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 square less than 0. That is 1 minus x square is less than 0. Therefore, 1 less than x square, that is x square greater than 1. That means here x is greater than 1 or x is less than minus 1. Therefore, x greater than 1 or x less than minus 1. So, this is possible values of x. Also, we write this as a x belongs to minus infinity minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. This is the possible values of x if the function is strictly decreasing, and this is the possible values of x if the function is strictly increasing. Now, we see question number 7. Show that function 3x plus 1 upon 3x increasing in 1 by 3 comma 1 and decreasing in 1 by 9 comma 1 by 9. Here we have given the possible values of x, but we have to show that the function is increasing on the given interval and the function is decreasing on the given interval. In next lecture, also the question number 8 is also easy question. Show that f of x is equal to x minus cos x is increasing for all x. That means here we have to show that the function is increasing for all values of x, which is also very easy question. So you should try to solve these two questions, question number 7 and question number 8 at home. And in next lecture we start to solve our next question, that is question number 9, which is based on the derivative test. So here we used to solve the maximum and minimum value by using the second derivative test. So you see these examples in next lectures. Thank you.